Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer by just changing one setting on your computer. So let's get started. Before we start, I want to tell you that make sure to hit the subscribe button because half of my viewers who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So please subscribe to me so that you can help me make more videos like this. First, in the search bar, type in Control Panel. This setting works for all Windows like Windows 10 and even Windows 7. Just type in Control Panel and open up the Control Panel app. And here you'll have to click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Hardware and Sound. And here you'll have to click on Power Options. As soon as you've clicked on Power Options, you'll end up being in this window right here. This is the Power Option window. And right now my computer is super laggy and super slow. When I'm trying to refresh, you can see that it's taking a long time for it to completely refresh. That's because my power plan is selected to Power Saver. Now Power Saver is a power plan which saves energy by reducing your computer's performance. That means it reduces your computer's performance by making it slower wherever possible so that you can save some power. Now this option is not recommended for computers like a desktop or a PC which is normally plugged in. This is recommended for laptops which are at low charge. Right now I'm using a desktop, so I can now because I'm using a desktop, the best option is selecting this one. Now let's say you're using a laptop. Most laptops are always set to this power plan, which is the balanced recommended power plan. Now if it is in that one, it's like normal, slow, normal, fast. It's not super fast, it's like in normal mode. So you'll have to select high performance. Now one thing I want to tell to you guys is that if you're using a laptop and it's on low charge, then if you select this one, your battery will start to drain faster. So this is recommended if you're plugged in. If your computer is plugged in to a power source, then you don't need to worry about your battery being draining because already power is coming onto your computer. So select high performance, and then if I close it, and now if I refresh, you can see how fast it refreshes. Now if I open Windows Explorer, everything opens up faster. Now when I open up downloads, as you can see, all the files loaded super fast. Now when I selected balanced recommended or power saver, it will take a few milliseconds to load up, so it makes my computer slower. And yeah, that's the only setting that you have to change to make your computer run faster. By the way guys, if you want a more detailed video on speeding up your computer, I already have a video which I made earlier. The link to that is there in the description, or you can click on the card right here, in which I've explained all the settings that you need to apply to make your computer run super fast. And yeah guys, that's the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with your friends. And if you have any queries, you can fill out the SahimTech query and suggestion form. And if you want me to make more videos like this, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. Till then, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.